Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix the flashing blue lights on your PS5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you are getting the flashing blue lights on your PS5 controller, this is simply because your controller is trying to connect to a Bluetooth device like your PlayStation 5, maybe your PC, or even your Android smartphone. So how would we go ahead and just simply fix this? Well, this is very easy to do. Now the first thing I'm going to do is turn off my PS5 controller by pressing the PS5 button right here, the logo down, in between the thumbsticks, and hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll notice when the controller shuts off, the light on the front here will shut off as well. So now my PS5 controller is turned off. I'm going to flip it around, and I do have a modded controller here, so I have buttons on the back here, and there is a little hole right here that we're going to want to press down with a little pin or maybe even a toothpick, and this will reset your controller. So now that our controller is reset, go ahead and just restart your PlayStation 5 and then press this button down and the PlayStation button down again, just like this at the same time, and it will go ahead and start to flash blue. And we're going to go ahead and try to connect to our PlayStation 5 via Bluetooth. Now if that doesn't work out, the quickest and easiest way to reconnect is with a USB cable. Just go ahead and plug this into your controller and plug the other end into the front of your PlayStation 5. So you can see it's connected to my controller now. Then all I have to do is press the PlayStation button, and I should be able to operate my PlayStation 5. Now if that doesn't work, go ahead and grab a different PlayStation 5 controller, or maybe even connect to the PlayStation 5 using the PS Remote Play application on your phone, and then go up to Settings and select this, and then scroll on down until we get to Accessories, and then go to General, Bluetooth Accessories, and under here you'll want to go ahead and disconnect the controller that's not working. So here it is, my wireless controller right here, or even my DualShock 4 controller. So let's go ahead and forget my DualShock 4 controller. Press X on it, and then go over to Delete, and go to OK, and forget the device. Now you want to go ahead and put it back into the sync mode. So using my PS4 controller as an example, the share button and the PlayStation button, and this will go ahead and pop it up in this menu here. Now you may be running into an issue where it's not connecting because it's already connected as a Bluetooth device via your smartphone or even like your PlayStation 4. So you may have to go ahead and forget it on your phone first before you can connect it to your PlayStation. But once it shows up under this list, simply use your working controller, go to it and press X on it. So like there's a TV found over here, but I can't connect to it. So I'd press X on it, and I'll be able to connect to the device, and the controller should work. And now another thing is, if I go back to Accessories, go to Controllers, and then go to Communication Method, there's two different methods to connect to the PS5 via USB cable. The first way is with Bluetooth, and if you select this, you can actually use a USB cable to connect to your PlayStation 5. Now default, if you have your USB cable connected with your controller, it's still going to be using Bluetooth. So if there's something wrong with your Bluetooth connection on your controller, well, you're going to have to switch this setting over to actually use the USB cable. Otherwise, you're still going to be using the Bluetooth connection, even though it's plugged in via USB. So if that makes any sense, go ahead and switch this over and just try it out. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.